Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving, and I will be doing a video of slime pet peeves because on my computer I saw Sophia Craft Studio squishy pet peeves, so I'm doing slime pet peeves. So let's get on with the video. So the first slime pet peeve is this. Is one-handed poke. And that's the first slime pet peeve. The second pet peeve is when the slime is too off the camera. So that's the second pet peeve, is when they don't have a stand. So that's another one. That's my stand, apparently. The third pet peeve is like the worst, but I hate when they're just aggressive like this. That's I don't know what pet peeve. Yeah. The fourth pet peeve is when they like take like 20 seconds for them to move their hand like this. For the thumbnail. So that's the fourth pet peeve. Is, I don't think you can see it, but it's when they have hair in their thing, in the slime. I don't think you guys can see the hair. So that's another pet peeve, because I just found hair. I don't know, I just lost it, but that's a pet peeve. And the last pet peeve is when they talk too much. Hey, this is my slime. This is my slime, and yeah, I'm gonna be talking the whole video about how I love this slime. So I got it for my birthday, and oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, subscribe and like my channel. Hey guys, so I hope you liked the video. I'm playing with my slime right now, but hope you liked the video. And I don't think if you noticed this, but in the description below, I've been doing Sophia Craft Studios Instagram, my Instagram, and my other friend's Instagram, the King of Dogo community. And FYI, just to let you know, I forgot. Oh yeah, so just to let you know, you guys are the best. And I think he said like he was gonna do a face reveal like during when he hits like a whole bunch of subscribers or 1 million. So subscribe to him if you wanna see his face reveal. Just subscribe. I'll put his channel name and Sophia Craft Studios channel name and Instagram name and mine, of course. And subscribe, like the video, and comment. Oh yeah, and I'm also giving away this. Yeah, it's not an iPhone 5, it's an iPhone 6S, I think. I'm not sure, but my grandma had an iPhone 5, and I checked if it fit, and it was an iPhone 5. So yeah, hope you liked the video, and talk to you guys later. I might make a video of a puppet, but right now we are getting ready for Thanksgiving. We're still cooking the thing, but hope you liked the video, and bye. I'm not gonna say peace out. Bye. Hold on, I'm making it to 22 minutes. Okay, hope you liked the video. Like the video and subscribe. Bye.